When I go to the grocery store, I not only come back with groceries, I come back with umpteen bags. Not wanting to be wasteful, I reuse those grocery bags as trash bags, as lunch bags, and everything in between bags. But I still feel some type of way because eventually I still have to throw away the plastic bag. So I got these large reusable grocery bags. They are lightweight, machine washable, heavy duty. They hold up to 50 pounds per bag. The bags are made of rip stop fabric. They're waterproof. This particular set came with 6 bags. I am going to open up a bag to show you what it looks like. Just flip it out of its pocket. It's about the size of a regular grocery bag. And there's this little pocket here. Fold it back up. And it goes back in its little pocket and can store it away anywhere. Has a little hook. You can hang it from wherever you desire.